Welcome to this video on expanding brackets. This video continues on from index laws, and it is the second in a series of 6 videos on algebraic expressions. Let's start by looking at how we multiply two brackets. Here we have as an example ax plus b times cx plus d. So the important thing is to multiply every term in one bracket by every term in the other bracket. So ax, following the blue arrow, ax times cx becomes acx squared. Then the red arrow, ax times d becomes plus adx. Green arrow, b times cx becomes plus bcx. And finally, b times d, the purple arrow, becomes plus bd. Let's actually look at a numerical example now to make it a bit easier to understand. So here we have 9x plus 8 times 3x plus 1. Okay, if we follow the blue arrow, that's 9x times 3x. Well, 9 3s are 27. X times x is x squared. So 9x times 3x is 27x squared. Then the red arrow, 9x times 1 becomes plus 9x. The green arrow, 8 times 3x becomes 8 3s 24 plus 24x. And finally, 8 times 1 becomes plus 8. This expression here can now be simplified by collecting like terms. So this becomes 27x squared plus 33x, because the 9 and the 24x make 33x, plus 8. So the final answer is 27x squared plus 33x plus 8. Okay, let's now look at how we can multiply three brackets. The best way to do this is to use an example. So here we go, 8x minus 1 times x plus 4 times 3x minus 1. So first of all, let's focus on multiplying just the first two brackets. So that becomes 8x squared. Then I'm going to do the 8x times the 4 to make plus 32x. Then I'm going to do the minus 1 times the x to give me minus x. And then I'm going to do the minus 1 times the 4 to give me minus 4. So those first two brackets become this here. And I'm going to multiply that by 3x minus 1. I'm going to take this opportunity to simplify the first two brackets. So that becomes 8x squared plus 31x minus 4. And that is now going to be multiplied by the 3x minus the 1. Remember, we need to multiply every term in this bracket by every term in this bracket. So first of all, I have 8x squared, and I'm going to multiply that by 3x. Well, 8 3s are 24. And x squared times x is x cubed. Next, I'm going to multiply the 8x squared by minus 1. So that gives me minus 8x squared. Then I'm going to multiply the 31x by the 3x. 31 times 3 is 93. And x times x is x squared. So I get plus 93x squared. Then I'm going to multiply the 31x by the minus 1, which gives me minus 31x. Then I'm going to multiply the minus 4 by the 3x. That gives me minus 12x. And finally, I'm going to multiply the minus 4 by the minus 1 to give me plus 4. So now I have expanded all three brackets and arrived at this expression. Finally, what I want to do is just collect all of the terms in this expression. So that becomes 24x cubed. Now I've got minus 8x squared plus 93x squared. So that becomes plus 85x squared. Then I need to do minus 31 minus 12x. So So that becomes minus 43x plus 4. And this here is my final answer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe below.